Okay, so we would stretch the skin, we'd insert the needle at a 90-degree angle, we'd inject, we would withdraw, and then we would dispose. They're actually practicing on silicone arms, and this is a great opportunity for them to practice injection technique and actually have a feel of using the needles and syringes in the correct position.
Enjoy volunteering, and the vaccination programme is the way forward for us to be able to carry on with our lives successfully, and I believe that I've got time to give back to the community.